Right now, I just want to share with you little secrets because I love secrets, and I believe you guys do as well. And I want to share with you my top 3 secrets to dramatically change the amount of money you're gonna make as a creative. Are you ready? Let's go. First, start learning about marketing. Whoa, man, you're giving me so many things to learn. I don't like that. And I get you. And I was just like you before. Until I found that man, nobody understands how to market. And why is that interesting? Because if you do know how to do that, you can do it for yourself, which is great because you're going to be able to differentiate yourself, be omnipresent in your markets, and get some ton of people in your pipeline. But second, you can also do that as a service, which is what I do. I go to a company. If they want to do an advertisement, I go and sell them a whole package. Man, I also know how to make some marketing. If you'll make sure that pretty video I'm gonna make you is gonna make you some money, and that's what I'm gonna use. Learn some skills because you can use them for yourself and you can use them for your customers. So that's pretty important for that. Secret number 2, learn sales. That's the second thing I wanted to learn. The third thing I never talked pretty much to anybody about, and I think nobody's talking about filmmakers knowing about sales and marketing, but no, even less people are actually talking about the next thing I'm going to share. But start learning about sales, man. The only reason you are not getting the amount of money you wish you could make is because you don't know anything about selling. Note that, take some notes, screenshot that, put it on your home screen, do whatever you want, but remember that sentence. The only reason you are not getting the amount of money you wish you could make is because you don't know anything or enough about selling. That's the only reason, because the best salespeople on earth are the billionaires, the people on the top of the food chain. If you do not know about selling, it's because it's actually a reason why you're not getting paid the amount you want. Learn about sales, guys. Learn about that. And the next one. I never saw anybody talk about that. I told you before. Start learning on how to scale. What is scaling? At some point you get to a point like you have a solid income, you know how to market yourself, you know how to sell yourself, you're getting some pretty good money, but then what comes after that? Because you cannot be a solo person doing it all yourself. You gotta edit, you gotta do the works, find some new clients, find some new prospects, new projects to shoot. You can do all that by yourself. You can do it at the beginning, but at some point, if you want to be more productive and get some more results, you got to focus on the things that you know you're the best at. So get a team. You can't make it alone. You just can't make it alone. And also some things that I know a lot of people do, because my parents, I come from an agricultural background. My parents have some yields and they harvest stuff. It's really hard labor. And you know what's the one thing that I saw them do, and they still do it right now, and I'm fixing that with them because I know about that stuff, is that you have to stop working in your business and work on your business. I've learned that in the E-Myth, the book. I don't remember the author, but the thing is, when you work in your business, you don't have the time to be the person that's driving the machine, driving the boat. And the problem is that you kind of get wumbled around like, oh, okay, this thing happened to me. Oh, now this thing also happened to me. That sucks. Oh, that's great. But you cannot drive physically the business where you want it to be. So you have to create a structure that you can control from a distance and that you can drive to the direction you want. You have to scale, guys. You can't get at it alone. You just can't. And because I love secrets and I also love bonuses, I'm going to share with you another one. And it's actually going to help you put all 3 things I shared them with you before together. So, bonus secrets. The thing that you're going to get at the bonus secret is that, guys, you got to lose your mind. You got to lose your mind because it's really important for a simple reason. The things that you got before, the things that you got before, they took you to some place that you are right now. Okay? But the thing is that those things are preventing you to get to the next level, right? So you got to lose your mind. You got to lose the things that you know from before to get to the next level. Lose your mind, man. Lose your mind.